Hello students, welcome to our class. Today we will discuss about the last point of this topic, that is chance and probability. Okay, so you know the word chance. It always come in our day-to-day life. Okay, so see there are some situations in our day-to-day life. So some situations are certain to certain to happen. Some situations are certain to happen. Some situations are like impossible. Some situations are impossible, and some situations are may or may not be happen. Okay, so these are three cases, and we faces in our day-to-day lives. We faces situations like that in our day-to-day life. So let us see example. See first example as the sun coming up, the sun coming up from the west. Okay, so observe that this statement. So this statement, you understood that this statement is impossible because we know sun is always coming from the east. Okay, so this statement is impossible. Okay, so this is the second type, statement of second type, means this is the situation like impossible. The sun coming up from the west is impossible. Okay, let's see second example. Second is if we increase the radius, if we increase the radius of a circle, its area increases. So we know if we increase the radius of circle, okay, so if we increase the radius of circle, then then its area also increases. Okay, we know that if we increase the radius of circle, its area increases. So this situation is obviously because if we increase the radius, then its area of circle also increases. So this situation is, it is certain to happen. This situation is certain to happen. Okay, so this is the first type of example. If we increase the radius of circle, then its area increases. Okay, now see the third statement as winning of India, winning of India in the next test series, winning of India in the next test series. So we by this statement we cannot predict whether India win or lose the next series. Okay, whether India win or not next test series. Okay, so here there are two chances. Here there are two chances that may or may not happen. There are two chances, means either India win or not win. Okay, so in this case there are two chances, it may happens or may not happens. Okay, so the situations like may or may not happen. Okay, so we have discussed all these three situations and three examples of these situations. Okay, so the situations like may or may not happen has equal chance of happening, has equal chance of happening. Okay, equal chance of happening. Now let's see the example. For example, if you toss a coin, if you toss a coin, so if you toss a coin, then what we will get, the outcomes are, what are the outcomes? if we do that experiment, if you toss a coin, then what are the outcomes? The outcomes are either head or tail, means either we get head or we get tail. So total number of outcomes are 2. Okay, total number of outcomes are 2, but means if you toss a coin, we cannot predict whether head comes or tail comes. Okay, if you toss a coin, we cannot predict either head comes or tail. Means there are outcomes are H and T, means there are 2 outcomes. Okay, so now there are total number of if you toss a coin, then total number of outcomes are 2. Okay, now see, number of head is 1 and number of tail is also 1. Now chance of getting head. So see, what is the chance of getting head? There total 2 outcomes, and out of 2 there is only 1 head, so chance of getting head is 1 out of 2, and chance of getting tail is also 1 out of 2. Means see here, chance of getting head is 1 by 2 and chance of getting tail is also 1 by 2. Means they have equal chance of happening. Okay, see, 1 by 2 means the situations like may or may not happen have equal chance of happening. So these two probabilities are equally likely probabilities. Okay, chance is nothing but probabilities. Okay, so these are equally likely chances or equally likely probabilities. So probability of getting head is 1 by 2 and probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2, and their probabilities are same, so therefore they are equally likely probability, or we can say that they are equally likely chances. Okay, so if you toss a coin, total number of outcomes are 2, head or either head comes or tail comes, and chance of getting head is 1 by 2 because there are total number of outcomes are 2 and number of head is 1, so chance of getting head is 1 out of 2, and chance of getting tail is also 1 out of 2. So see, their probabilities are same, so they are equally likely probability, or we can say that these outcomes head and tail are equally likely outcomes or equally likely chances. Okay, we know one more experiment also. We play Ludo. In Ludo, we know there is a die. So if you do the experiment, means if you throw a die, so what are the outcomes? We know die has 6 faces. Okay, die has 6 faces, and on each face there is a number from 1 to 6. All faces are covered with number 1 to 6. So if we throw the die, so we cannot predict either we get 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So if we throw a die, then we get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes. If you throw a die, then these are the possible outcomes, means either we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay, so now total number of outcomes are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now find chance of getting 1 on upper face of die. So what is the chance of getting 1 on upper face of die? So see, out of 6 outcomes, 1 happens only 1. There is number of 1 is 1, means chance of getting 1 on the upper face of die is 1 out of 6. Okay, because there is only one face having a number 1. So chance of getting 1 on upper face of die is 1 out of 6. Like that, chance of getting 2 on upper face of die is also, see, there is a die has 6 faces. Okay, and the number of faces having number 2 is only 1, so chance of getting 2 on upper face is 1 out of 6. So as like this, chance of getting each outcomes is 1 by 6. So they are equally likely chances, because probability of getting 1 on the upper face is 1 by 6, probability of getting 2 on upper face is also 1 by 6. Okay, so they are equally likely chances. Now you can see the probability. Chance is nothing but probability. So probability is always lies between 0 and 1. See, 1 by 6 is greater than 0 and less than 1. So 1 by 6 is greater than 0, less than 1. Here also 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So probability of the situations which are may or may not happen. Situations like may or may not happen have the probability always between 0 and 1. Okay, have always probability between 0 and 1. And the situation which have no chance of happening means that the situations have no chance of happening means impossible situations, like the situations who has no chance of happening, that in this case probability is 0. Okay, and situations who happens who are bound to happens have probability 1, and situations which are may or may not happen have probability between 0 and 1. See here, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 6. Okay, so the situations which are may or may not happen have probability is always between 0 and 1. Okay, so there are some situations where the chances have not equally likely probabilities. Chances of outcomes have not equally likely probabilities. So see, one more example is that if a container has 15 red balls and 9 white balls, and if a ball is pulled out without seeing, now the chances of getting a red ball is, what is the chance of getting red ball and what is the chance of getting white ball? So see, total number, how many balls are there? 15 plus 9. Total number of balls are 24. And out of 24, 15 are red and 9 are white balls. So chance of getting a red ball means there is a chance, means when we pulled out a ball from that container, so as there are 15 red balls, so we can pull there are 15 possibilities of getting red balls. So chances of getting red balls is 15 out of 24, and chances of getting white ball is 9 out of 24. Okay, so chance of getting white ball means a ball which is pulled is white. So what are the probabilities? So there are total 9 white balls, and probability of getting white ball is 9 out of 24. So see, in this case these two chances, mean chance of getting red ball is 15 by 24 and chance of getting white ball is 9 by 24, and you can see that these are not equal. Okay, so in some situations there may or may not have equal likely probability. So here in these situations, chance of getting red ball and chance of getting white ball are not equal. So in some situations may or may not there equally likely probabilities. Okay, on the basis of this, there is exercise number 3.4, and in exercise number 3.4, question number 1 is tell whether the following situations is certain to happen, comma, impossible, or can happen but not certain. Okay, can happen but not certain. Okay, so see, first statement is you are older than older today than yesterday. Okay, this is the situation, you are older today than yesterday, and we have to tell whether it is certain to happen, impossible, or can happen but not certain. So see, if you observe this statement, we know that always we are older than previous day. Okay, so you are always older today than yesterday. Okay, so this is certain to happen, this is certain to happen, because we are always older today than yesterday. Now second statement is a tossed coin will land heads up. Means if you toss a coin, it will use head. So it is not certain to happen, it can happen but not certain, because either you get, if you toss coin, either you get head or tail also. Okay, so it can happen but not certain. Okay, so there are, if you toss a coin, there are two possibilities, either get head or tail. So tossed coin will land heads up, it can happen but not certain. Okay, see third statement, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. So see here, experiment is when we toss a die, means if you throw a die, it land up with 8 on top, means on upper face you will get 8. So see, for a die there are only 6 faces, and on 6 faces there are numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So there is no face with number 8. So a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. So this is impossible. This is impossible because die has only 6 faces, and there is no face with number 8. So this situation is impossible. Okay, as like this you can see fourth and fifth statement. Okay, now question number 2 is there are 6 marbles in the box. There are total 6 marbles in the box. Okay, and and the marbles have numbers with numbers 1 to 6 marked on each marble, each of them. Means there are total 6 marbles in box and they have marked with numbers 1 to 6. Okay, now question number 1 is find the probability. What is the probability? What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So what is the answer? So see here, total number of marbles are 6. Total number of marbles are 6. Okay, and the marble with number 2, marble with number 2 is, so how many marbles are there with number 2? So there is only one marble, because each marble has number marked as number 1 to 6 on them. Okay, so marble with number 2, total number of marbles with number 2 is 1. So now we have to find the probability of drawing a marble with number 2. Means if you draw one marble from this 6 marble, then what is the probability of getting or drawing a marble with number 2 is? So there are total 6 marbles and out of 6 there is only one marble with number 2. So probability of getting a marble with number 2 is 1 out of 6. And there is second question, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So the probability of getting a marble with number 5 is also 1 by 6. Okay, so there is a question number 3 also. You can solve it. It is easy question. Okay, so here we have completed this exercise. Okay, thank you.